Here we have a 2019 69 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK 3.2. Now on this vehicle you do get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked aftermarket Riviera alloy wheels in 20-inch. Now you do have the Autotrader off-road tyres. We have the daylight running LED side lights, the Raptor style front grille, the lower bash bar. We have the wide arch kit fitted to this vehicle, really does make this car stand out from the rest. We have the side steps on either side, roof bars just up top, on the top of the car and on top of the Truckman rear cab. We have front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. You also have the rear tow bar. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. Taking a quick look into the back of the car, you can see we do have the full leather seats throughout with the fabric accents. Isofix points just down there, pull down armrests just in the centre with 2 nice sized cup holders. Storage behind either seats, and you also have your 230 and 12 volt connectivity down there. Electric windows in the back. Going to the front, looking at the driver's front seats again, full leather with the accents. And also WILDTRAK just stitched in up there. Now both seats are also heated, nice addition to have. Electric windows just there. Multifunction steering wheel with adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. Then you also have your lane keeping assist just over there as well. Now this vehicle has done just over 54,017 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard, as you can see just there. Get away, there you go. Satellite navigation in the centre with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, rear reversing camera, DAB radio, Bluetooth medium, Bluetooth audio connectivity. You also have your rear reversing camera. Down there you can see we do have your parking sensors, traction control, rear diff lock, and also downhill ascent assist, 2-wheel drive high, 4-wheel drive high, and also 4-wheel drive low. Now this vehicle is yet to have a full clean. Now once it does, we'll do a full walk around video going through all the different specifications that this vehicle comes with. Now it is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. HPI Clear comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.